The heater. The heater has its plug and lead, which delivers the electrical power to the heater. The AC live wire goes directly to a base cutout switch located at the base of the heater, preventing fire hazards if the heater falls over. The AC live wire then connects to the two selector switches. These switches are responsible for selecting whether only one heating element or both elements are in operation. The most common problems with heaters are: number 1. Safety switch failure. Number 2. Faulty selector switches. Number 3. Blown heating element. Number 4. Blown thermal fuses. And number 5. Burnt wiring. So an inspection for open circuit conductors must be made. Electricity is dangerous. When working on any electrical appliance, remove the plug from the wall socket.